Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a filling, healthy and nutrient dense oats breakfast smoothie. It's vegan, full of fiber and nutrient rich. A perfect wholesome breakfast on those busy mornings. The smoothie is rich in protein, B vitamins, iron and calcium and will help to keep you feel fuller till lunchtime. Hence an ideal wholesome breakfast meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. First we need to roast the oats. It's always ideal to roast the oats before using them in smoothies, as roasting the oats helps to reduce the phytic acid content in oats. Phytates interfere with mineral absorption and may cause digestive issues to some. You can also soak the oats to reduce the phytates. So I am lightly roasting 3 tablespoons of old-fashioned rolled oats, and once lightly roasted, remove to a plate and allow it to cool down. Now let's make some almond milk. I have already soaked 12 almonds overnight and I have peeled the skin. I'm adding it into my blender along with 1 glass of water and I'm blending it for about 30 seconds. Note that I'm using a high-speed blender. So once it is nicely blended, you get fresh homemade almond milk. It's very important that you use overnight soaked and peeled almonds when you're making almond milk. Do check my almond milk recipe to understand more. Links will be updated in the description box below this video. Add in juice of 2 oranges. Orange is in season right now, hence I'm using them. Add in 1 whole apple chopped. Add in the roasted and cooled old-fashioned oats, 1 tablespoon flaxseed and half tablespoon chia seeds for that extra antioxidants and omega-3s. Add in 1 teaspoon spirulina. Spirulina is a natural algae and is high in protein and a good source of antioxidants, B vitamins and other nutrients. It has a high natural iron and protein content. Hence an ideal plant-based source of iron and protein for vegetarians. Spirulina is also high in calcium and also contains vitamin C and fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D and E. And this is also one of the reasons why I used almonds in this smoothie. The healthy fats in almonds helps to absorb the fat-soluble vitamins faster into your body. Also, it's a great healthy option to include spirulina in your diet, as it will help to get all the much needed vitamins and minerals you may be missing out in your fast-paced busy lifestyle. Spirulina also may help to remove heavy metal toxins and boost your immunity. And the best part is spirulina increase fat burning during exercise. Now for sweetness, I am using 2 medjool dates. Medjool dates are soft, hence easily blended. Now blend all this until everything is nicely combined and mixed. Pour the green oats smoothie into a serving glass and top it with half a teaspoon of chia seeds. Enjoy this wholesome, nutrient-dense smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.